Good evening, everyone. This is Carol once again, and it's a weekend. We are still using our strategy of the trend line and support and resistance level to trade. I started this trade with $10 for those who saw the other video in the morning. And right now, what we are doing, we are waiting for a trend breakdown from a buying trend. This was the trend was buying, it was coming up, then it broke our trend line after you drawn your trend line. After the trend line has been broken, what you do, wait for a retest in a resistance level to form itself. You can see here, this is a resistance level which has formed itself and then continue downward. Now, for those beginner or for those who want easy understanding and you want to make money in this business, wait, be patient for this to go down, and then for a retest in the same area. Wait for a retest like this one in this area. This retest is what we are waiting for. After a retest from the breakout of our trend line, after it has come here and made a resistance level, wait for a retest in this resistance level like this, and then you take your trade. Now, because it's a weekend and we are doing over-the-counter trades, we are going to trade long time. You see, like this one, I'm trading 20 minutes because my target is after this retest, these candlesticks are going to move until this area where you see I'll put an horizontal blue line. So this is where I know it's going to do a sell until it's going to retest the area which the trend line started from. You see the trend line started here and now it came, broke this trend line, did a retest in this area, and then formed a resistant area. Let's come, we got a resistant again, the second. So after you see this second resistance from a trend from a trend breakout, guys, take your long time trade. You can even go for 30 minutes, but me, I'm going for 20 minutes, targeting this area. This is a fact. This is a fact because this thing is coming here. You find people trading for 2 minutes, 1 minute on weekends, and then they end up losing money saying, oh, the trend was really okay. Because at the end of the day, the trend will just continue the way you saw it. Your high saw it right, but trading, timing is everything. If you can't time, it's just like playing sports. When you are doing sports, and then if, for example, you are playing football, and then you can't time that ball when the ball is coming so that you may take it and do the score, you will say, I was really near the goal, but what happened? I didn't kick the ball right to get inside to get the goal for my team. Why? Because you didn't time it very well. So timing is everything. And let's wait for us to see the result of this trade. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. As you can see, we've collected profit, just like I was telling you, and this was our target. You can see the target which I was telling you is what we reached, which our point has reached. And after this, don't assume anything. Wait look for another trend line. For now, just master the buying trend lines. Wait for a breakout. Let it form a resistant level. Wait for a retest on the resistant level. Take a long trend and make sure the trade you are taking, the time you are putting depends with this trend line. Because if your trend line is very short, you can find that you've done a trend line of something like this. Don't risk your money with this. Make sure your trend line is at least a long trend line, which if you look at it, if you estimate, you say, my 20 minutes can really take me far beyond where my starting point was. Thank you, welcome, have a nice weekend.